I didn't tell my mum that we were doing this as well, just because she would actually have a heart attack.
This is a military helicopter and it's going to be taking us on a combat simulation flight.
And this is the Zhiyun Crane 4, and we're going to be putting it to the ultimate test to see if you can get any decent shots whilst hanging out of a window.
Because if you can, then that means it must be a decent gimbal, right?
First things first, because we are filmmakers, we are going to have to get some dramatic B-roll.
Naturally.
Action. What is wrong with us? Like, on a serious note, like, do we have some sort of problem?
I think yes. I think it's a problem. I think it's chronic. It would be a terrible, terrible thing were we to actually drop this on someone's head out of the helicopter. And even worse still, if this was to somehow make its way into the tail rotor or the main rotor and we were all going to crash and die. So we realised that we can make a little rig using a reporter strap.
So do you think that'll work?
Yeah, I think it's going to be fine. It should be fine. I think everything's going to turn out just fine.
You alright there, Chief?
All good.
With the specs, come in.
I just can't believe that we got to do that. Like, as an aviation fanatic, which I have been from literally like a baby, little Bazzy, like, I just can't believe we got to do that. This is the best part about being a creator. We just have to do the crazy shit to get the shot. There's no excuse.
That was insane.
There's a dream come true. Another one, actually. Another one as part of the filmmaking journey. And I think there's going to be more. Can't think of a better way to have tested this bad boy out.
If it can handle this situation, it can handle at least 90% of everything else that we throw at it.
Stay tuned for more, because how far can we take it?
Yeah, you can always count on us to take things too far.
Woo! very light, yeah.
Can you not?
Big fan, big fan.